going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. This is another copywritten emote. So if you want to learn step-by-step how to do this emote, click the link in the description box below. It'll take you to that tutorial where I will teach you every step how to smash this emote. But while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit those noties so you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And next time you're in the item shop, don't forget to use code DANCEPROFESSOR. Much appreciated. And if you got any other requests for other emote tutorials, stick them in the comment section below. I do read those and I will put them on my list and we will do them here. Enjoy this emote, guys, with the dance and the skin and me. It's a fast one, it's a hard one, it's challenging, but it's loads of fun. Ready, set, let's go.
Bad pussy, not the belly.